Hello, folks. This is your girl, Sharonnaraine, coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. And, folks, I'm so excited to talk about this subject. And it is all about interest rates. What's happening with the interest rate right now? What's going on with interest rate? Chances are they're saying that interest rate will continue to go down, will continue to decline. So let's check it out, see what's happening and what I can be able to share with you that I have gotten. Okay, the information I have gotten. So let's see if we can share. I can share that with you today. Now, first of all, let's see here. When you read, right, about the housing market, okay, you probably come across some information about inflation, or recent decisions made by the Federal Reserve, the Fed, FED, okay? But how do these two things impact you and your home buying plans? Here's what you need to know, okay? This is what you need to know. The federal funds rate hikes have stalled, okay? One of the Fed's primary goals is to lower inflation. In order to do that, they started raising, right, the federal funds rate to slow down the economy. Mm, 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 mm. Even through this doesn't directly dictate what happens with mortgage rates, it does have an impact. Definitely. Now, recently inflation has started to cool, a signal those increases worked and are bringing inflation back down. As a result, the Fed's hikes have gotten smaller and less frequent. In fact, there haven't been any increase since July. Okay, there has not been any increase, so let's check it out. Federal Reserve Funds rate hikes 2022 to the present, rate change in basis points. Okay, let's check this out since we are on it. Now, here is a little graph here. Of course, you can check that out for yourself. And this is the graph. Okay, so let's see. March 22nd, you have May, June, July, um, September to November, December, to this is December 23rd. Folks, you can read it out. All right, you can check it out. But at any rate, and not only has the Fed decided not to raise the federal funds rate the last three times the committee met, they have signaled there may actually be rate cuts coming in 2024, according to the New York Times, right? 2024, there will be more cuts. Rates, you will see rate will start, decline a little bit. Federal Reserve officials left interest rates unchanged in their final policy decision of 2023 and forecast that they will cut borrowing costs three times in the coming year, a sign that the central bank is shifting towards the next phase in its fight against rapid inflation. Ooh, folks, think about that. So this indicates that Fed thinks the economy and inflation are improving. Why does that matter to you and your plans to buy a home? Right? It could end up leading to lower mortgage rates and improved affordability. Yes, folks, once the interest rate comes down, people will start buying like crazy. As a matter of fact, nobody knows exactly, right, what's going on with interest rate, what's going on with the real estate market. It's like a yo-yo. So many people see that there's a decline in interest rate and they don't want to take the chance. So they are hustling to get their dream home. Yes, they are buying up their homes, right? Home buyers are buying. They're shopping around, they're buying. They do not want to hesitate to see that the interest rate can go up, folks. Like as I said, You never know. Okay, so mortgage rates are coming down. Mortgage rates are influenced by a wide variety of factors and inflation, and the Fed's actions, or as has been the case recently, inaction, play a big role. Now that the Fed has paused the increases, it looks more likely mortgage rates will continue their downward trend. Yes, we are seeing that again. Mortgage rates dropped below 7 points. Folks, it was 7 points recently and even more. And it drops below. Now, this is January 2023 to today. Right? Here is the graph. You can see that. It's dropping. It's like 6.35. So that's good news. Okay. Now, although mortgage rates may remain volatile, their recent trend combined with export forecasts indicate they could continue to go down in 2024. That would improve affordability for buyers and make it easier for sellers to move, since they won't feel as locked in to their current low mortgage rate. Right? So this, sellers will move, they will want to sell so that they can purchase another home, especially for those, sellers who have their homes for a while, who have, more than enough equity buildup, right? And for various reasons, whether be it they are downsizing, the family is all grown, everybody's on their own, and so they don't want to stay in the big house anymore for whatever reason, so they downsize. So this will boost their interest now that they will want to sell so that they can purchase a smaller home, and vice versa. Now this will help other sellers as well who have smaller homes. Now their family have grown, or perhaps they have you know their elderly parents moving with them, so they need more space, more room. So now that they can be able to sell their home and they can be able to buy a bigger home, right? So the interest rate is very much feasible. Okay, folks, so the Fed's decision have an indirect impact on mortgage rates. By not raising the federal funds rate, mortgage rates are likely to continue declining. Let's connect today, folks. Talk to me if you are in the market looking, to purchase a home. Okay, let's talk. If you're contemplating what's going on, what's going to happen. Folks, like as I said, there is no concrete decision what is going on in the real estate market. But chances are, like as we're seeing a trend, that the interest rate is dropping, it's below 7%. So people don't want to take a chance. So, my advice to you, do not get caught with the situation. Chances are, if it just went back, coming, we are fast approaching the new year, 2024. So many people, folks, are thinking, they don't want to get caught with what happened. So here's the deal. If you are looking and you're contemplating, let's talk, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, make sure you go and you subscribe. Yes, subscribe now. And also the top, that bell, click on the bell. When you click on the bell, that bell will indicate, to you when I video, so you won't miss out. And drop your comment down below my video as well. Just say, Sharon, yes, it makes sense. I don't know. Let's talk about this interest rate stuff. Let's talk about this housing market. Or let's talk that, I want to sell my home. I want to purchase another home, or I want to move out of state. Folks, I am here in Central Florida. Okay, so I am local here in Central Florida. So call me, indicate to me that Sharon is. And it doesn't matter where in Florida, folks, I can hook you up in other parts as well. But basically in Central Florida here, we have homes in You're talking about Winter Garden, you're talking about Ocoee, you talk about Oakland, you talk about Mineola, you have Claremont, you have Groveland, you have Mascot, folks, you have Howie in the Hills. Folks, you have so many places, their homes going up like crazy, subdivisions upon subdivision. Besides, we have the older homes are selling, like as I said, those who want to downsize, they're selling out their home to purchase another home. So, folks, whatever is the situation, feel free to reach out to me, okay? Again, thank you so very much for watching my video. God bless you. And again, let's connect. Okay, reach out to me, homesmatchmaker.net. Reach out to me and I will be more than happy to help you out, to advise you, and we can work together in meeting your needs, whatever that real estate needed. Until my next video, talk to you again soon. Take care, peace out, and bye for now.